Emotional loneliness. Busyness as the remedy. Another manifestation of loneliness is the emotional void within us, regardless of the objective factors that may cause it. The ultimate reflection of this loneliness is in our emotions. To address this emotional loneliness, the best way is to keep ourselves busy, whether with work or study. Only by making ourselves busy and fulfilled can we truly overcome the emotional void of loneliness. Busyness not only provides a means to shift our focus but also gives us the opportunity to establish deeper connections with others. In the midst of busyness, we stop dwelling excessively on loneliness and instead concentrate on enriching our lives. Whether through work or study, busyness serves as a remedy to alleviate emotional loneliness. Let us no longer be plagued by loneliness, but use busyness to fill the emotional void.